My workouts will strengthen your core and increase flexibility. It burns about an estimated 1,000 calories per hour. Oh, and my choreography, it is simple and easy to follow. My music will turn you on. It is vibrant and exciting.
Dance Millennium, the mecca of the dance world, where everyone trains from Britney Spears, Janet Jackson, Jennifer Lopez. Cuckoo Wall was there and turned it out. She warmed up my class. Everybody's talking about how incredible it is.
I mean, you see how much fun we're having. It's sort of a workout for your spirit as well.
Yeah, it shows you what to do and everyone can do it.
I loved it because you use all the parts of the body that you never use, that you can learn how to, well, I don't even know how to shake them, but they were shaking something. She's great.
I move better, I have more fluidity when I move. I'm firmer in some places, there are always places I could work on, but I just feel more in control of my body and my movement.
Such a good workout and really, really fun.
Move your whole body, from head to the toe.
Oh, I thought it was fantastic. It was great, a lot of fun.
My life was salambala.